I teach mathematics at the university. And when I teach students who are actually enrolled in mathematics, it's magical. Because their eyes shine like mine when I talk about beautiful theorems, elegant proofs, and fascinating mathematical objects. But I also teach students of computer science, business analytics, and mechanical engineering. And for some reason that I don't quite understand, their eyes don't shine as much. But I discovered Mezrab 2 years ago. And since then, I have been trying to bring stories more and more into my lectures. So now when I present an abstract theorem, I also tell my students something about the mathematicians behind these theorems. And for a few minutes, even the eyes of my computer science students start to shine. So today I would like to tell you the stories of two of my favorite mathematicians, if you like. The first one is Sir William Rowan Hamilton, who transformed mathematics with a walk. It was October 16, 1843. Hamilton was walking along the Royal Canal in Dublin with his wife, and things went more or less like this. Oh, darling. What a romantic walk. Finally, it's just the two of us without our 3 children. We can just focus on each other. But darling, what are you doing? Are you writing on the bridge? I see that you're writing an I. Are you writing, I love you? No. While walking, Hamilton had a sudden insight. And on the stones of the bridge, he scratched I squared equals J squared equals K squared equals I times J times K equals -1. And in this way, he created a new set of numbers, the quaternions. But what the heck are the quaternions, you may be wondering? Well, I guess that most of us know from high school that the real numbers live on the real line, so in one dimension. The complex numbers are a generalization that live on the plane, so in 2 dimensions. And the quaternions are a further generalization that live in 4 dimensions. So they're super cool. And today, not only they are fundamental in pure mathematics, but they're also widely used in applications, for instance, in robotics, in virtual reality, and in animations. And on the exact spot where Hamilton had this brilliant idea, today there is a memorial target dedicated to him. And of course, I went to visit it when I was in Dublin. So the moral of Hamilton's story is that sometimes even a simple walk can bring to revolutionary ideas. And if you don't have paper and pen with you, don't worry, you can always use a bridge. The next mathematician I want to tell you about is Paul Erdős. Erdős was born in Hungary in 1913. And he has been one of the most social and prolific mathematicians of all times, because he wrote more than 1,500 papers with over 500 collaborators. And believe me, these are huge numbers. And he made enormous contributions in many different areas of mathematics. People say that all his belongings could fit into a single suitcase, and he spent most of his life traveling while being hosted by his collaborators around the world. They say that he would knock on their door, announce, "My brain is open," and then stay for a few days or a few weeks to work together on a project before moving on to the next collaborator. And in doing so, he showed that mathematics is a deeply social activity. It is. To honor him, the mathematics community created the Erdos number, which measures the distance in terms of collaborations between Erdos and a researcher. So Erdos was the only person who had Erdos number 0 because he had distance 0 from himself. His collaborators have Erdos number 1, the collaborators of his collaborators have Erdos number 2, and so on. I have Erdos number 3, and of course I wish to have Erdos number 2 one day. So this is all to say that despite what people usually think, being a mathematician is actually pretty amazing. Because we get to dream like Hamilton, we travel like Erdos, we keep our brain open, and we have many stories to share.
Enthusiastic about math. No, it's so nice to have somebody speak about math like it's so much fun.